I'm Mylaya here at IT Supplies, and today I'm going to show you how to wipe the print head using manual maintenance on your EPSON SureColor P9570. If the print head is clogged and automatic cleaning does not fix the issue, you can clean the print head manually using the cleaning sticks. We're going to go to our control panel and click the maintenance. We're going to go down to cleaning maintenance parts, and then we're going to click wiping the print head. Now, we're going to start cleaning the print head. We have to confirm the procedure and then press start. Do not open any printer cover while processing screen is shown. Finish cleaning within 20 minutes to prevent the print head from drying out. Start. One of the great things about the P9570 in comparison to its predecessors is that now you have direct access to the print head to do any and all maintenance in the back here. Using the rear, we're going to pull straight up, and in the comments you'll see the cleaning swabs that you'll use to clean around the print head. The print head will be on this side and you want to gently clean around it. Do not touch the print head. Once completed, you want to slide this right back into place until it clicks. Throughout this process, make sure you do follow all instructions on your control panel. Once completed, press done, and that is how you do the print head wiping around maintenance. Thanks so much for watching this. If you would like to see more of these videos, please go to our YouTube channel.